In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Skyblock in Minecraft Education Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order for you to access a Skyblock map in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, or rather Education Edition, you will need to download the world. So this can be downloaded here on mcpedl.com. When you go to this website, you can look for all sorts of things, including maps, skins, texture packs, and so on. So you can access this website and look for Skyblock and browse through a variety of different Skyblock maps. The one that I'm showcasing in this video is Mega Skyblock Survival. This one is a little bit different from the ordinary Skyblock as it includes 41 different islands which the player is required to go out and explore in order to complete the map. If you prefer a more classic experience, then you can look for different Skyblock maps over here and see if one of these fits your style better. Once you find the specific Skyblock that you would like to download, you just go all the way down on the page and you will find the downloads here. I recommend downloading it in the MC World format, but you can download it in a zip format if you prefer. Once you have that file, all that you need to do is run it. Once you run the .mcworld file, it is going to immediately open Minecraft Education Edition because the file needs to be loaded inside of the game. So if it is already open, you will see the loading screen. If not, it is going to open itself and start downloading the world. So you will see the message generating world, and once everything is done, you can play. So for this particular map, you begin by pressing this button and you will be able to play Skyblock on Education Edition. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.